Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. And this is pearl, black pearl. Well, I shoot a lots of jewelry shot long time ago. This is one of them, and I shot white pearl, regular pearl the other day, and I made a different creative image by this Procreate also. Well, this time I'm going to try black pearl, which is real nice reflection of the main light. Well, black pearl has this image, reflection. You've got to have this reflection to express black pearl, of course. Otherwise, you just see the black hole or something like that. Well, I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used the filter called Find Edges, as always. And I'm going to use two images to get something different or exciting image. Let's get started. I'm going to turn this image, just change the blend mode to normal to darken so we can see through underneath of the image as well. Okay, and also I'm going to make duplicate on this layer, then just keep for base image. Turn it off now. Now I'm gonna work on this duplicate copy of it. Use the smudge tool. Well, I usually use this evolve. This is nice, great smudging tool. Okay, now I'm gonna go pretty small size, and opacity is about 50, 60, around that. Okay, we have a real close-up of the black pearl, so focuses on black pearl, of course, and out of focus on the ring side, and the other areas, which is a nice close-up. Well, I'm gonna smudge. Let's go from outside edge. Then be very careful on this reflection. I'm gonna just smudge the edge of it to show nice reflection. Since we are looking at pencil drawing type image, so it's real nice to see these, even though you see the black lines. So even though using this smudging surround doesn't it does look the pearl area and the reflection so nice, so easy to smudging. Okay, this diamond area, there is a reflection of the lens. This black, and this is a hole which is looking into this jewelry. So I'm gonna make a nice black reflection with this smudging. This black area is also the lens. This is too. Now I change size of the smudge tool, so you see the texture more nicer. Okay, well, that's about it for ring. Well, let's see, turn this pencil drawing image off. You see this area, black lines. It's nice to have. Okay, now, well, about this image, Let's see, change blend mode. Multiple goes darker, darken color burn, linear burn. Let's check color burn, linear burn, lighten, color dodge, add. Its opacity max. Tone down about 60%. It shows differently so much. This is overlay, makes nicer too. 50%. This is overlay now. Soft light, hard light. Exclusion max. It's kind of cool. Black pearl turned to regular pearl. Divide. It's kind of cool too. Yeah. About this area, diamond area, some kind of well, just remember, divide, luminosity, divide. I kind of like this expression around the black pearl. Overlay shows more nicer reflection on the black pearl. You see different colors on this pearl, kind of magenta-ish and the bluish colors. That's nice. Well, let's see. I'm gonna make duplicate on this pencil drawing type image. Now it's darkened now, right? Okay, bring this one back to normal, max. Then duplicate one. One is for, well, let's use a couple. Okay, we have 3 pencil drawing type image now, max, normal. One I like is just want to see the line, multiple, max, yeah, okay. Then I'm gonna change name, rename, okay, multiple layer. Then next one, I'm gonna turn this one off. Then I'm gonna change next one, overlay about, well, let's see, I want to see the smudge image, so I'm going to turn this one off too. Third one, okay, this is overlay. Now it's 55. Well, easy to set 50, so I'm going to change name. Okay, then last one, I'm going to turn this one off. Then last one, this one I see kind of difference, or well, hold on a second, I like divide too. I said divide max. Okay, I'm going to change name, divide max. If I change the opacity, I'm going to change the name later. Okay, now just leave it this way. And one more I was gonna say, well, just duplicate this. Then I'm gonna change this one to exclusion or difference. Turn this divide off. Let's see. Yeah, it's affecting under divide max, not this. This is divide max. This is exclusion difference. What's more interesting? Well, about this exclusion, I kind of like outside color, dark blue. So I'm going to change name. Well, okay, this is exclusion 90. Change name, rename. Yeah, exclusion 90. Now turn, well, let's see. This is exclusion 90. Divide max, overlay 50. Then multiple. Okay, we see multiple 2 black lines. And also if I turn overlay on, shows lighten up. Then divide max, and image shows nicer surround. And let's see this outline, multiple, or let's see lighten up, overlay. This is doesn't go with overlay and divide, huh? Because it's lighten up also. Divide shows real light here. So if I'm gonna use overlay, then I don't use divide max. Maybe multiple goes okay. Then, well, I'm gonna make exclusion and divide goes well, okay. Multiple and exclusion doesn't, because it's gonna just lose that effect. Well, now what I'm gonna do is wanna see divide max light, and let's think. Okay, I'm gonna make mask on this base image. Well, let's see, overlay. Just leave it here, overlay. First of all, I really kinda like this divide max. Yeah, sort of this kind of, what do you call this kind of expression? It's not, well, color-wise, lighting-wise, harsh, but kind of wet look, huh? Okay. Well, I'm gonna make mask on this base image now. Mask, then invert mask. Now I don't see the image, so I'm going to turn this multiple layer on. Now we see the rings. Then I'm going to reveal it. Now I gotta find some brush, huh? I just want to see this nebula white. Okay. Now this is nebula, right? Then I see multiple, but I don't use multiple expression because it's gonna reduce the divide max effect. Because divide max shows lighter, right? Yeah, that's what I like, this divide. Let's see, it's max. Well, make it 77. I'm going to change name. Okay, divide 77, and let's see this exclusion. Exclusion 90. I'm going to turn this exclusion off, then see the overlay, then make mask, invert mask, then I use this bokeh lights. Oh well. Let's see this bokeh lights. It shows more. Yeah, interesting. Some kind of design, huh? Sometimes it's okay for design. Okay, now let's finish up on this layer. I used the bokeh, and I'm not gonna use this. This is masked already anyways. Let's see about this multiple. Darken. See the lines. It's darken now. This is normal, multiple. Doesn't go with this divide 77. Just leave this. I just want to keep this for one image. Well, let me see. Clear mask, invert mask. Now again, luminance to bokeh lights, a little bit bigger. Then smaller one too. Just leave the bokeh. Then how about light brush? Same group. Easy to find. Okay, use the light brush along with this fabrics line. Oops. shows some little ribbon color here. That's nice too. Well, why don't I add this kind of blue light around here? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna delete layers which I don't use this image. Delete overlay. I only use 4, no exclusion. Okay, now I'm gonna add layer for color. Change this to color. Now I'm gonna add some color on here. Just give it a cast, blue cast. Change the color. Nice accent. Just intuition then. Okay. Yeah, as this image, I kind of like it. Maybe add some magenta. How's this? I guess that's it. Yep. Well, soft image. I like this, yeah. Touch color in it. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.